Hey, hi, welcome back. In this session, we're going to see how you can create an the database instance inside the Oracle server. Okay, so for that, you have to log in into the Oracle server. So I'm connected to the Oracle server. So here, first we need to see what is the currently config the default the instance that is okay. So to create an instance, we have to navigate to the home folder. Okay, Oracle home. So how you can verify the home folder? So you can go to the etc and grep with the inst file. So you can see that inst file. You can do the order on that, and that's going to give you the inventory location. So you have to navigate to the inventory location. Okay, I am in the inventory location. Here you have to cd into the content directory, and inside that you have one file called inventory. So this is how, and grep for the home. And this is the home directory for Oracle, which is configured at the time of installation. So cd into that, so do ls, and again go into the bin and search for the DBCA binary. Okay, so you have to run the DBCA to configure an instance. So and it's going to start the new window. So it's like a wizard where you select the options. So kindly note that to run the DBCA, you have to connect to the mobile term, right? So you can see that I'm connected to the mobile term. So if you don't have that mobile term, then you have to look for another graphical, I mean, another use. Like you cannot use a party session or SSH. So you can see that the new window got started. So create database, and let's give the name test GD. GD is nothing but a global database. You need to provide the admin credentials. So you have to remember this the credentials. And yeah, I want to create a container database, so we can call that as an give some name as test PD and go for the next. Okay, so it says that specified name we have potential already existing. So I have already created, that's why it's giving that name. So we can say okay, and yeah, it's only the first window here. We have to give this option, and now remaining all the options, you go with the next. So you can keep it default. Once you run the finish, then it's going to create you the database, right? So since I already created, I'll show you in the in the Oracle server how you can verify that. Okay, let's cancel this and wait for. Do you want to exit? Yes, I want to exit. And let me show you that instance here. So I am on that the command to we can run is ls listener status lsnr listener control status. Okay, so you can see that the test GD instance is already running. So if in case you don't see that running, we have to start it manually, right? I'll show you the procedure how you can start. So okay, so I have one Oracle commands cheat sheet. So where I provided you all the commands here. So you want to know the default Oracle SID that is configured, you have to run this command. So it is going to, you know, give you the output. So what is the default configured? So what I want to do is that I want to change that to uh, so the test GD, right? So which the one that I configured currently. So let's go to that again. So the command to change that is this one, export Oracle SID, right? So now I have changed it, and let's go to the next command. So now we have to connect to the SQL Plus. So how you can connect to SQL Plus as a sysdba. So I'm running this command. So I'm connected to the SQL as sysdba, and if I want to see, what is the status, you can run this command. The status of the instance, it shows is open, right? And we have to, if you want to verify the, the instance name, so we can also use it is similar kind of command like the before. So, but here it will give like what is the instance name and also the status of the instance. And we have to see the service names associated with the instance. So this is a command to see the service name. We can see that the service name is same as the instance name here. Okay, so similarly, if you want to see how the currently if this instance is mounted in archive mode or not, this is a command. You can see that the log mode. So the database log mode is archive mode, which means it is enabled. So for taking an hot backup, or which is called as an online backup, you need to have the database in archive mode. So I mean these things are known to the DBA, the database admin. But if in case the database is not in archive mode, then the hot backup or online backup will not run. So you have to inform this to your DBA admin. So if that is not in the archive mode, you have to run this command. So we can do that because it's a test environment. So ideally in production, we should not be doing this. So let's do this once, just to show you that how it looks like. If in case it is not in the archive mode, we have to follow these steps. So we have to run the start mount. Okay, so once I start the mount, so you can see that it has allocated some memory, and then we have to run this command to enable the archive log, and then we have to run this command to see that option here. So you can see that it is again showing as enabled. Now we have to we can run this command. It should be semicolon here. So we can run this command to keep the database in the open state. If you want to see what is the current state of the database, uh, do something here. So okay, so this is going to open the database here. So to check the status, this is the command. So now it shows open. So it shows mounted, right? The reason is because I cancelled the previous command. So I have to run this command to keep it open state. So now the database will go in the mounted state. So again run the previous command. Sorry, the status of the instance command. So now it should show open. I can see that the database is open. So now, so we are good to run the backups here. So no further commands needed. So I'll share you this file. Okay. So let's connect to the Commserve machine, the remote desktop. So this is your Commserve IP. Let's connect, and okay, we are connected to the Commserve machine. So let's go to your command center here. So I'll stop the video and continue this in the next session.